So hello, this is how you create an IAM user in Amazon Web Service Console. IAM stands for Identity and Access Management. So you want to come to this search bar here and search for IAM, and then it pops up. So since we want to create a user, not groups, we click on IAM, and then we look at the left hand pane. Under access management, you will see user groups, users, roles, policies, etc. So we're interested in creating a user, so we click on users, and then we already have 2 users here, so we want to create the third one, and we click on this button here, create user. So when we create user, we are going to give this user a name. We're going to name this user Jason. Now Jason, we want to provide user access to the AWS Management Console. So we select this box. Now when you select this box, AWS is going to ask you if you are providing console access to a person. Then you specify the user type. You can see here that it is recommending specify a user in Identity Center. Well, we don't want to select this, even though it's recommended. We want to create an IAM user. That is our goal. The reason is because although this specify user in Identity Center is recommended, the IAM user is still an important part of the AWS certification exams. So we want to know how to create IAM user. So we select IAM user, and here you see you can input a password here when you click on custom password, or you can leave it as an auto-generated password. There is still no problem. So then what the next thing you can do is to okay, I'm going to uncheck this box. There will be no need for the user to create a new password unless signing, although this is very important, especially if you are really managing this service for a company. You want the individual company employees to create their unique password, so you want to check this so that they can create it by themselves when they try to log in. But for this demonstration, I'm going to uncheck it. I'm only interested in showing you how to create an IAM user. So I uncheck it, and then I click on next. Now here you can see that I can assign this new user a role, a group. I can assign it a group, and under here I only have one group, and that group is admin. So I can make this user an admin by checking this box, and then if there are policies already existing which apply to some members, I can copy all that to this new user here, or I can attach new policies directly. So now I can also set boundaries, which is optional. So I want to go to next. I don't want this to be an admin, so I uncheck next. And what next here? So you can also add a tag for this user just to help in identification and organization. No much big deal about it. So I hit create user, And there you go, user has been successfully created. So you have this user now. We have a new user, the name is Jason, and here is the password, and this is the username. Now this is the unique ID right here. You can use it to sign in. Okay, so what you can do is you click on this button to download a CSV file containing this information, and you can view this CSV file and you see both the password and the login detail. Don't worry, I'm going to delete this user so I won't be using it. Alright, so this is how you create a user on AWS. Thank you for watching.